Today we're going to show you how to light your gas fireplace pilot. First you remove the bottom plate here just by lifting up a little bit, placing it out of the way and on something hopefully not to scratch the floor. For the ease of looking at this, the best way is to take off the first two logs from the log set. They lift right up, they're just on pins, etc. Putting them to the side and out of the way. And if you can close up here just to see the controls that we have, we've got two buttons here. One is your on pilot and off, and the other one is your high-low setting. And if you can close up underneath, you're going to see the gas piping that comes down, and you're going to see the gas valve that is in a perpendicular direction from the pipe, saying that it's off. Okay. The first thing you want to do is turn the gas on by just turning this counterclockwise to be parallel or pointing in the direction of the pipe, which means that your gas is now on. Next thing you're going to want to do is find where the igniter switch is. And if you can come around the corner here, and it's hard to see, but there's like an almost like the grill style striker that's right in there. It's start to see what it's just a push button igniter that pushes in. And then you'll need to strike that. I'll show you in a minute here. So looking back at these controls over here, which is in the off position, and it's hard to see, but there is a white arrow that basically points towards the back of the fireplace. You want to turn this knob to the pilot position. And what that allows you to do is to actually push this knob all the way in, which is the only way for you to actually light the pilot on this unit. Holding that button down completely and then finding the striker button on the left here, you hit that striker button until you see the pilot light up. And if you'll see, if you come in this way from where I'm standing and where my eye level is, you can see the pilot burning underneath. What you don't want to do is let go of that pilot button right away. You want to hold it for a good 5, even 10 seconds. So that when you do remove your finger from the pilot button, that it stays lit. It heats up an element that keeps the pilot going. So if it turns off, you just repeat that step of pushing down the pilot button and hitting the striker till it relights. Once that happens, you take that same knob and you twist it again counterclockwise to the on position, and the fireplace is ready to go. At that point, you would just reassemble your logs and you would just use the wall switch that's been provided. One note is down here on the right side, there is an on-off switch, but that's only in a case where you would not have a wall switch, but in all of the bi-carrier installations, we have put in the wall switch. That's it for today. Thank you.